dolls, how are you babies doing? I am doing good. I have missed you dolls so much. I know it has been 4 weeks. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4. I am so sorry dolls. I've been so busy adulting. 2020, honestly dolls, is starting to look really just crappy for me. I really feel like 2020 is already a crappy year, and we're just now getting into our second month of the year, and it's already went down to crap. Just the stuff and things I'm seeing every day, dolls. It's just it's so horrible, and just it's very depressing. So yeah, dolls, I think I'm very ready for 2020 to just be over already. And yeah, so dolls, thank you so much for just watching my channel. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you dolls can know when I upload new videos. And dolls, please forgive me for the inconsistency of my videos. I usually always upload once or twice a week, and I have been late for 4 weeks. I'm never that late. But you know, dolls, you know how life is. You always have to handle things, adulting, and you have, personal issues, or you have, things you have to take care of. And so some things have to be put in the back burner, but I am back. And dolls, I am going to be recording even more videos. So yay for that. And yeah, so dolls, if you would like to see this, I like this look. I call it the pink smoky eye. If you dolls like to see how I do this nice pink smoky eye and just a talk through on how I do my page boy hairstyle, dolls, please keep watching.
First, I am taking my Urban Decay setting spray. Now I am taking my black radiance concealer and I'm putting this all over my face, dolls. I love this concealer. It is very matte and it sticks right on your skin very easily. I highly recommend for pinup girls of color. Now I am taking my black radiance foundation in Bisque and I'm putting this all over my face. It is a matte foundation, dolls, and it is a nice price. I did not have to even break $10, dolls, for this foundation. Now I am taking my airspun and I am powdering my face with my powder brush. It's a matte finish. I always use it. Now I'm taking my Too Faced palette and natural palette and I am giving myself a little blush, dolls. I love this palette. It smells so good. It smells like hot, yummy cocoa. Now I'm taking my other palette from AliExpress. I've had this palette for a while, dolls. I'm just contouring my nose, giving myself a little highlight on the bridge of my nose and contouring the sides. Now I am taking my eyebrow brush and I am brushing my brows and just shaping them up so I can put the e.l.f. pomade on them. I love this brush, dolls. I will put the brush deets in the box below. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. pomade and I am shaping my brows, dolls. This is the only pomade I use. I heard Anastasia Beverly Hills is better, but if you're not trying to pay that, then I would say e.l.f. is the best way to go. And since I love this so much, I use this in all of my tutorials. I highly recommend it and it's cheaper. Now I'm going back in with my foundation by Black Radiance and I am shaping up my brows. And I learned this trick from a friend and I'm so glad I know this because now my brows look so much more neater and even. And yeah, I highly recommend using it. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay eye primer and I'm putting this all over on both my lids. Now I am taking my mascara, my Maybelline mascara, and I'm putting this on both my lashes. Now I'm taking some tape and I'm putting it on the sides of my lids, on my eyebrows, dolls, so I can give myself a clean cut crease. Now I am taking my Naked 3 palette and I am taking a lightish pink shade and I am just lightly dabbing my eyelids with it all over. Dolls, I really love this eyeshadow. I love this palette. It's one of my favorite palettes. It's such a pretty palette. Now I'm taking my LA colors in the lightest pink and I'm putting this on my lids, on both my lids. I'm doing the same thing I did with the other lid. I'm using my Naked 3 palette and I'm putting the lightest pink on my lids. And I'm doing the same thing with the LA colors, putting it on my lids, giving it more of a shimmer. Now I am taking my e.l.f. black pencil in Noir and I am lining my lids. Now dolls, this is where I'm going to line it all the way down to my inner corners and then I'm going to wing it out and then I'm doing it on both eyes. And don't worry dolls if you mess up on this because we're going to make it smoked out, don't worry. Now I am taking it and I'm doing the same thing on my lower lids. I'm giving myself a sexy dark cat eye, but I'm winging it out at the same time. And I noticed with this trick dolls that you don't even have to like give yourself eyeliner after because it looks like you already have eyeliner on once you smoke it out. Now I am taking my Too Faced palette and stiletto and I am smoking out my eyeliner dolls. I'm doing this on both my lids. And another thing that I love about this palette too is that it has different smoke out shadows, so this whole palette is just basically for like a smoky eye. I'm taking my e.l.f. pencil and I'm underlining my eyelids. I'm doing the same thing dolls, giving myself a full cat eye, smoky cat eye. Now I'm taking my dual lash glue and I'm putting this on my mink lashes. And dolls, I got these mink lashes from AliExpress. I will put everything down in the description box below. Now I'm taking my H2O eyeliner by Wet n Wild and I am lining my lids and it is called Noir. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild lip pencil in berry red and I am slowly lining my lips. Now I am taking my Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit in Missy and Fierce. I love this lipstick dolls. It is my favorite. I use this in all of my tutorials by Wet n Wild. And voila, there you have it, my sexy pink smoked out cat eye look. I hope you dolls love this look, dolls. I enjoy creating it. It's such a sexy, sultry look, and I advise you dolls to try it. Now on to hair.
Next, I am going to take this off. And this veil I got from the Vintage Hairstyle website. I will put it in the description box below. It is the Jaconet Triangle Veil. I got this, you guys, if you guys want to know more about this, you guys can look at my last tutorial and it will show you where I got these from. I also got the Hollywood duckbill clips, so if you dolls is wondering about that, these are pink. It's my favorite color. You dolls been on my channel long enough, you would know it's my favorite color. This is the triangle veil. I've showed y'all dolls this, but yeah. So I decided to do a talk through with this. I'm taking these duckbill clips off my head now. This is pin curl. This is a Peruvian lace front. I've had this for a while, dolls. I will be getting something different because I am tired of this, but you know, I've had this for a while. It has very minimum shedding. This has lasted me for like a good year, so you know, I really love it. I like the way it holds up. I've had this, I got this from AliExpress from a certain website, a store from AliExpress. I will put the description, the deets in the link below. So now I'm just taking the pin curl clips down and stuff. I had my pin curls in I've had it in for a couple of days. I've had my hair pin curled up for like a couple days. So I am taking it all down now. And I love, you know, my hair and pin curls, dolls. It's like my favorite go-to style. I always have my hair that way. I just love vintage hair. Hollywood glam hair is like my favorite. After that, I gently brush everything out. Now, dolls, take your time. You don't want to brush out the curl. And if you have a lace front or front toe of any sorts, you really want to make sure that, you know, everything's brushed out. Take your time. Don't rush like I am. But take your time, and just know if this doesn't work out the first time, you know, it took me a while to get, you know, work it out the way I would like it for me. So just take your time and with a palette brush and just slowly, and don't fight with the curls, just brush it the way it curls, and just let it just go, let it fall how it may. So I'm doing the same with this, and I'm just slowly starting from the bottom and letting the curl just go the way it wants to go. I'm just curling it, letting it go as it goes. Let it just go. Get your hairspray and just spray it all over, and just in little spurts. Don't do like crazy, but just, you know. And then after that, you take your teasing brush and just gently go down with it like this. And just let it curl. And then you take your duckbill clips and then you just let it, you know, fall. And you pin it, you know, down so it can have like that, a little piece, that little part right here to give it that body at the bottom. I have black bobby pins to match my hair. And then I have a Tint-o-matic, and I'm going to use one of these. Doesn't matter what color. I'm just going to use whatever color. It doesn't really matter. You know, you can use one to match your scarf if you choose to wear a scarf, or you can use whatever color. I'm just going to use a bobby pin. It's not like anyone's going to see this, so, in person, so. And so now that I have that part covered, I'm going to spray. And then I am going to take my brush and brush it. Just brush it back. But gently. Don't do it so rough. Gently, gently. And I'm going to take my clip and clip it. Clip it down. And do the same all around so it can give it that part. It may take a few tries, but just keep going. You know. Are done clipping the back. It's really cool to just, you know, just to get it to hurry up and blow dry as quick as, to dry as quick as you want it. Use a blow dryer, and it can like get the curls to like really stick. So that's another idea. So after that, I'm going to take my hand and just roll it and let the curl just go as it wants to go. Remember, dolls, don't fight with your curls. Just let it go. Let it roll how it wants to. Because when you try to fight it, it's just going to make it it's just going to be a frizzy mess. Trust me. I've tried that. So I do that. And now I'm taking another clip, and I'm just going to take it this way, and I'm going to put it in the barrel. Just try not to be so rough. I'm going to take all the clips down and just go one good brush through to make sure everything is nice. And voila! That is how you do your vintage hair. Thank you so much for watching and just, you know, watching my videos and supporting me and liking. Thank you so much for, you know, just checking my videos out and just supporting it so much. And thank you for sharing this beautiful vintage world with me that I'm sharing with you, dolls. And I hope you take my tips and my tricks and just, my advice on vintage things and what I like. And I hope you dolls enjoy it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon, dolls. Bye.